Morning, guys. Well, another curveball here. This time it's a good thing. It's a good curveball. So, went down to check the river one more time before setting on out to check the other river, and lo and behold, it's flowing now. So I guess I'll be staying here another day. Let's see. Got fire going here to cook up some breakfast. Try a different technique. It worked really well, actually. I think I'll demonstrate it later on. Um, it's simple, really. But what I also going to show is also my sleeping arrangements. Is all I had is a blanket. It got cold last night, as you can see. I'm wearing this. I had to put this on during the night. So let me show you what I did. Okay, here's the lavabo setup. Now we all know that sleeping on the ground is a bad thing. So here's my blanket. The ditty bag I brought. I used my extra thermals to as a pillow. But I'll show you something here. Yes. I put down at least 4 inches of pine needles. And what's funny is that on top I was chilled, but on the bottom I was warm. So there you have it. More to come later. Hey guys. Well, as you can see here, water's flowing. So yeah, this is where I checked this morning. It's just flowing nicely. Check the other place, it's not flowing. Go figure. So let me show you the area that I was talking about. Alright. As you can see, there's no water. Came down to this area yesterday and just about had a heart attack. But way over there, zoom in, where those willows are and whatnot, that's where the water's flowing. Up towards that way is my camp. No idea.